Guys, we are back for yet another video. It's going to be a swift one, so let's roll with it and let's see. So right off the bat, you're going to see a lot of paint. So the paint, I'll be honest with you, this blue is a little bit more blue than what it is that I really wanted. I wanted something a little bit cooler, a little bit on the whiter side, but blue. Nevertheless, that's what we got. We're going to be wrapping up painting. We'll see that process continue to proceed. And now we're in the kitchen. Countertops, more to follow on that. It's been an experience fighting them to, scheduling and things like that. But that's going to be coming hopefully around June the 5th. But everything else in the kitchen, as you guys already know, it is all coming together. So that's where we are, this contractor working space, as I always say. But yeah, let's proceed. So, proceeding, we got the hallway, this gray. I am absolutely loving the gray. It's really weird. The gray is kind of what I wanted the blue to look like, but nevertheless, that's what we got. I definitely do prefer that gray a whole lot. Whole lot of dust, whole lot of, stuff in the kitchen. It's a workspace. Things are still coming together. Look back there in the bathroom. Things are looking pretty good there. The floor, everything's coming together. I have a really bright light that's on behind me, so that's kind of what you guys are seeing. No updates here to report. That's our staging area. The floors, everything still coming together. Something very important, the trim. I wanted to highlight that. If you guys see, the trim over the doors, around the doors is all coming together. Not fully perfected yet, but the trim is coming together. It looks really, really well. And yeah, here in the bathroom, things are coming together. You will see shower, everything is all there. We just need to kind of take the time and handle those imperfections and do a little taking care of some things. But that floor, I really like it. It is certainly going to be the highlight, like I highlighted already. It's going to be a good transition from black to gray to white with the vanity. So really excited about that, looking forward to it. Yeah, it is really exciting, guys. So guys, just wrapping up yet another video here. A lot going on, a lot to be excited about. Got the contractor, he's working hard, wrapping things up. We're looking to have that painting be perfected. Got to get some more white paint to take care of the interior doors. They got a weird little beige tan to them, so want to get that all taken care of. The trim will be getting wrapped up as well, and then the bathroom, we'll be putting everything together in the bathroom. So stick around with us as always. I really do appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Please smash that like button. Please subscribe. Leave any comments that you have, any questions, anything in the comment section down below, and we will continue to maintain this momentum. We're almost there to the finish line, so I just wanted to say, hey, thanks a lot, guys. Look forward to it. Stay around for the next video. Thank you.